Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Canva file upload error, images or videos fail to import. Upload issues can halt projects, so let's fix this issue as fast as possible. First of all, check files, format and size. Canva supports standard formats. Then we are going to ensure stable internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi, or try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out internet issues. After that, restart the app and try again. Avoid uploading private files on public networks, which for safety tip. Quick fix: upload to Canva web if mobile app fails. And that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.